Okay. So I turned the camera back on. We're going around the reef. Hopefully we'll see some turtles. I'm not helping because I'm recording these humongous waves that are kind of scary. Oh gosh. We are way in the waves. Okay, there's a bunch of big waves right there, honey. Okay, which way are we going? In between the go around that way?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go back in the front of it, huh?
Cut in.
Cut in, yeah, let's cut in. No, we didn't see any turtles. As soon as I turn this off, we'll see a turtle. Okay, the reef's about 10 feet off the bow, honey.
Okay, I gotta get
I guess we could just ride over the reef, huh? The way up. Oh, I know we're gonna get in that wave. Are you ready? Well, I got the camera rolling to record you not being ready. I think, yeah. Are we going over? We're going over. We're gonna surf in a boat. Oh gosh. Oh my god. I think the general idea in surfing is you're supposed to be pointing towards, yeah. Okay, we're okay. Yeah, you're supposed to be pointing towards the beach. Okay, that was not as scary as I thought it was going to be. Oh, I'm lying. It was scary, but we survived it. So now we know we can do that. Got a little water in the boat? That was...
Okay, my wife says it's for stability.
Yeah, the water's for stability. That was amazing. That was very fun. Very, very fun. There's our house. There's the waves. Is that the reef or turtle right there? Big rock. No turtles. Aye. Okay, I guess it's time for me to start paddling again.
Scary waves.
They were really scary.